In the blink of an eye, your life could change forever. If you or someone you know has been involved in a car accident recently, listen carefully. What you're going to learn about car accidents may surprise you. Whether you were involved in a 60-mile-an-hour collision or just a minor fender bender, you may have sustained injuries that you are unaware of. What seemed like a minor accident can eventually lead to a lifetime of pain and disability. The following information may be vital to help you prevent future pain and suffering. The most common injury caused by minor car accidents is whiplash. Whiplash can be dangerous because of damage to the soft tissues. Soft tissues are muscles, ligaments, discs, and body parts other than bones. But what you need to understand is that most soft tissue injuries do not show up during emergency room exams or on x-rays. X-rays reveal broken bones, but soft tissue injuries routinely go undetected. Often, the accident victim is given some pain pills or a neck collar and then released with no attention given to the soft tissue injuries. Ignoring injuries to your ligaments, muscles, and discs could lead to pain, stiffness, loss of motion, and arthritis. So how can you tell if you've sustained soft tissue damage? What can be done to prevent the stiffness and soreness associated with arthritis? Fortunately, there's someone in your area who has been trained to locate and treat soft tissue damage caused by whiplash. It may surprise you, but chiropractic treatment is one of the only proven remedies for whiplash injuries. If you were involved in a car accident recently, it's time you discovered the miracle of chiropractic.
I thought I would have to live with this type of pain for the rest of my life. It was, tremendous pain. And I tried different solutions, different scenarios, and trying to get rid of this pain. And whatever I tried, it did not work until I went to a chiropractor. And within a very short time, no more tingling down my right arm, no more stiffness down my neck. I feel great now. It is awesome.
Even if your accident seemed like only a minor one, the injuries you suffered can lead to the pain and disability of arthritis in a relatively short period of time. Nearly 40% of whiplash victims end up with arthritis within 5 years of their injury. Surprisingly, the risk of arthritis is increased for car accident victims even when there is little or no damage to the car. If you've been in a car accident recently, you may have been injured without knowing it. Some accident victims experience no pain immediately following their accident and assume they weren't injured at all. But even minor accidents cause injuries to soft tissues of the spine. Experts tell us a good percentage of car accident victims will go days, weeks, or even months before they begin experiencing pain from their injuries, which means it's possible that you won't discover you were even injured until you've already developed arthritis. By then, it may be too late to reverse the damage. If you've been in a car accident, especially a minor one, don't wait until it's too late. See a chiropractor right away.
If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call the Whiplash Pros of Chipley Chiropractic today. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are highly trained in treating injuries that often get overlooked after a car accident. The doctors use a comprehensive consultation, case history, examination, and special NASA-based surface EMG technology, along with special diagnostic testing like x-rays to find the source of your pain and fully document your injuries. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are offering an introductory free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation, the first step toward uncovering your spinal problems. Treatment plans will be customized for your individual situation, and the doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are committed to helping you achieve maximum recovery. The goal of Chipley Chiropractic's Whiplash Injury Rehabilitation Program is to help your injured tissues heal, helping your spine return to its normal, healthy state, giving you freedom from pain and improved health, now and in the future. If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call Chipley Chiropractic with injury centers in Beckley, Princeton, and Oceana today and get a free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation now. Your decision may affect the way you feel for the rest of your life.
In a typical whiplash accident, when a car is hit from the rear, the car is thrust forward. and the car seat pushes the occupant forward as well. But since the head is not in contact with the seat, the head remains stationary, while the body is pushed forward, causing a shearing action in the neck. Once the head reaches its maximum rearward position, it can then whip forward at a force that's up to 5 times greater than the force of the collision itself. And the use of seatbelts can actually speed up the whipping motion of the neck, causing even more injury. The purpose of spinal ligaments is to protect your spine from moving further than is safe. Whiplash forces the neck through excessive motion it wasn't meant to endure. Spinal nerves and discs can become damaged, and spinal bones can be pulled out of their normal position, causing irritation and injury to delicate spinal nerve roots. This causes inflammation, which can result in pain, swelling, and excessive scar tissue formation. This can cause your neck to become more stiff, more prone to arthritis, and more susceptible to re-injury, even during normal everyday activities.
Fortunately, chiropractors know how to control inflammation after a whiplash injury, so your body can heal with a minimum of scar tissue and the least amount of pain and stiffness.
I was in a car accident and experienced whiplash. I began seeing a chiropractor and having treatments, and in no time at all, my neck pain was gone and I was back to feeling great.
Because of a recent whiplash injury, I was having a lot of pain in my neck and shoulders. I could barely turn my head because the pain was so bad. But after a few chiropractic adjustments, my pain was gone.
No more backache, no more neck ache. Best thing I probably could have ever done is go to the chiropractor.
After a whiplash injury, the muscles often spasm in an attempt to immobilize the damaged area. But in doing so, these muscle spasms can lock up spinal regions above and below the injured area, causing unbalanced and unstable movement in the most vulnerable area. Normal spinal motion is essential for healthy discs and joints. Without normal spinal movement, the discs and joints can degenerate quickly, increasing the formation of scar tissue, leading to pain, stiffness, and arthritis. Chiropractors are trained to locate these damaged areas of the spine. Through gentle chiropractic adjustments, chiropractors can loosen up these locked areas, allowing for a more balanced distribution of spinal movement. This lessens the irritation in the damaged area and allows for improved healing. If you've been in a car accident recently, see a chiropractor. Whiplash injuries can lead to pain, arthritis, and disability. Don't wait until it's too late. Call and make an appointment today.
If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call the Whiplash Pros of Chipley Chiropractic today. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are highly trained in treating injuries that often get overlooked after a car accident. The doctors use a comprehensive consultation, case history, examination, and special NASA-based surface EMG technology, along with special diagnostic testing like x-rays to find the source of your pain and fully document your injuries. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are offering an introductory free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation, the first step toward uncovering your spinal problems. Treatment plans will be customized for your individual situation, and the doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are committed to helping you achieve maximum recovery. The goal of Chipley Chiropractic's Whiplash Injury Rehabilitation Program is to help your injured tissues heal, helping your spine return to its normal, healthy state, giving you freedom from pain and improved health now and in the future. If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call Chipley Chiropractic with injury centers in Beckley, Princeton, and Oceana today and get a free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation now. Your decision may affect the way you feel for the rest of your life.
Some people mistakenly believe that whiplash injuries don't happen in minor accidents when there is little or no damage to the car, but experts tell a different story. Test collisions have shown that the less a car is damaged in a collision, the greater the risk of injury in that collision. A damaged car will absorb a portion of the impact, but when there is no damage to the vehicle, virtually all of the force of the impact will be transferred to the person in the vehicle, causing even more injury. Research indicates that in collisions of just 5 miles per hour, the excessive motion to the neck is enough to cause injuries to the soft tissues of the spine.
So you can see why it's so important to have your spine checked by a chiropractor as soon as possible after a car accident. Because injuries happen even in minor accidents, even when there is no damage to the car, and even when you have no immediate pain. Neck pain and headaches are the most common symptoms following a whiplash accident. Other typical problems are low back pain, dizziness, numbness, tingling or pain in the arms or hands, ligament damage, joint injuries, arthritis, nerve damage, muscle tension and spasms, and spinal disc degeneration. Even if you don't have any of these symptoms, don't assume you've escaped injury. Whiplash injuries can be very deceiving. Some people experience no pain after an accident and mistakenly think they weren't injured at all. Unfortunately, soft tissue injuries may go unnoticed for weeks or even months, progressively deteriorating until there is permanent and irreversible damage. It can reach this level before you realize you were even injured, before you begin to feel any pain. If you were involved in a car accident recently, whether your car was damaged or not, and whether you have pain or not, it's important to have your spine checked for soft tissue injuries as soon as possible. Without treatment, these soft tissue injuries can lead to excessive scar tissue formation and long-term pain, stiffness, arthritis, and disability.
I was on my way home from work one night and was rear-ended, and a lot of damage was done to my car. And I woke up the next day, had a lot of pain in my neck, and my shoulders felt really tight. So I went to the chiropractor, and after a few adjustments, my neck felt great and my shoulders felt relaxed, and I've been feeling really good since.
Chiropractors are trained to find soft tissue injuries that often get overlooked after a car accident. The goal of chiropractic treatment is to help your body heal correctly, prevent the formation of scar tissue, reduce the incidence of chronic pain and stiffness, and delay or prevent the onset of arthritis.
I was rear-ended several times at pretty high speeds, and I developed whiplashes and a lot of pain in my shoulders, my neck. I had tingling in my arms, and generally I couldn't focus at work, and just made life pretty miserable for me. I decided to seek out the help of a chiropractor, and after that, in a very short amount of time, I was completely relieved of my pain. I was able to focus and concentrate again. I sleep beautifully through the nights. It feels so good to be pain-free. I feel like it's just been a miracle to my life.
Research indicates that chiropractic is an extremely effective treatment for whiplash injuries. In one study, 93% of whiplash patients improved with chiropractic care. Another study concluded that chiropractic treatment is more effective than medical treatment for treating neck and low back pain caused by auto accidents. Don't suffer needlessly. If you've been in a car accident recently, see a chiropractor today.
If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call the Whiplash Pros of Chipley Chiropractic today. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are highly trained in treating injuries that often get overlooked after a car accident. The doctors use a comprehensive consultation, case history, examination, and special NASA-based surface EMG technology, along with special diagnostic testing like X-rays to find the source of your pain and fully document your injuries. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are offering an introductory free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation, the first step toward uncovering your spinal problems. Treatment plans will be customized for your individual situation, and the doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are committed to helping you achieve maximum recovery. The goal of Chipley Chiropractic's Whiplash Injury Rehabilitation Program is to help your injured tissues heal, helping your spine return to its normal, healthy state, giving you freedom from pain and improved health now and in the future. If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call Chipley Chiropractic with injury centers in Beckley, Princeton, and Oceana today and get a free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation now. Your decision may affect the way you feel for the rest of your life.